everyone! Haha, I hope you're having an incredible day today. Let's jump straight into the charts. XRP to USDT is showing some really encouraging signs of forming a long-term base after successfully defending that critical $1 to $1.05 support zone. This is exactly where buyers are continuing to absorb that selling pressure. This recent stabilization suggests the bearish momentum is finally fading, while the price attempts to build a much stronger foundation for our next upward move. So, what are we looking for next? Well, a decisive breakout above $1.15 could spark some fresh buying interest, opening the door toward $1.25, followed by $1.45. If this bullish momentum continues to strengthen and the broader crypto market remains supportive, XRP could even extend its recovery toward the $2.45 region, with a very ambitious, longer-term target up near $3.60. As long as our key support zone remains intact, the overall technical structure definitely continues to favor the bulls, making XRP one of the most promising large-cap altcoins to watch for a potential breakout rally. By the way, are you looking for daily premium trading calls and personal chart requests? Just send me a DM with the name of your favorite cryptocurrency, and I will personally provide a detailed technical analysis just for you. Also, be sure to visit our Patreon page using the link in the description to join our premium community and unlock all of our exclusive trading content. If you are enjoying these crypto updates, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest trading ideas and market analysis. And finally, a quick reminder, guys, this is technical analysis for educational purposes only and is definitely not financial advice. Always do your own research and manage your risk before making any investment decisions. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading! Hey everyone! Haha, I hope you're having an incredible day today. Let's jump straight into the charts.